Another week and I'm still here. This week, we're diving into the pizza business with some high protein pizza egg rolls and wontons. These are super easy to make. Did I mention that we're finally using an air fryer? So let's just jump right into them. Start this one by adding it to a bowl, 3 ounces of cream cheese, 1/4 cup of a pizza blend cheese, and 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Mix those ingredients together until smooth. You could also use ricotta or cottage cheese instead of cream cheese. I've used them all with success. I'll make sure to add the nutritional information using all 3 on the website. Next, take out some egg roll or wonton wraps and lay however many you're making out. You should be able to find these packs at most grocery stores, and they only cost a couple bucks for a ton of them. Now evenly distribute your mix into each roll or wrap. Top your mix with a little pizza sauce and 1 ounce per roll up or 1/2 ounce per wonton of your choice cooked protein. I went with chicken today, but beef or turkey work great too. It's time to close your wraps in 3 easy steps. Number 1, wet your finger or a brush with a little water. Number 2, wipe whatever you're using along the edges. And number 3, fold your corners in one side at a time like this. Make sure to squeeze them at the tip while pressing down to remove any air. For your egg rolls, it's pretty much the same thing with a few different folds. Last, coat whatever you're making with some oil. Non-stick cooking spray makes this super easy. Put them onto an air fryer rack and let them cook on 365 for around 10 to 12 minutes, depending on what you're making. I like to flip mine over halfway through cooking, but this is optional. While those are cooking, it's time for the tip of the day. To keep foods fresh for longer without a vacuum sealer, you can either use a straw to suck the air out of a sealable bag like this, or if you're talented enough, you can use your built-in one, your mouth, to quickly suck the air out and close. That's it, and yes, it actually works. Don't have an air fryer? Bake them. Just make sure to coat your baking sheet with oil. I usually bake mine on 325 for 10 minutes, flip them over, and bake them for an additional 10 minutes, or until crispy but not burnt. Continue by taking your wraps out after your timer goes off, or once they look like this. So there you go, another quick high protein snack or even meal. You can easily double or triple the recipe on the proteinchef.co, linked in the description. I like to dip mine in either some chili or pizza sauce. Don't have an air fryer? Bake them. Just make sure to coat your baking sheet with oil. I usually bake mine on 325 for 10 minutes, flip them over, and bake them for an additional 10 minutes, or until crispy but not burnt. Before we end this one, drop a comment below with the type of recipe you want to see me make next. An appetizer, shake, breakfast, quick lunch, dinner, dessert. The most requested one is the one I'll do not next week, but the week after. Also, here's 3 people who followed me on TikTok that won a shaker bottle last week. I'm gonna do another 3 bottles this week, so if you haven't yet, follow me at The Protein Chef on TikTok. I think I'll do this until I hit like 1,000 followers on there. With that said, thank you all for watching. Hit the thumbs up button to help the algorithm before they get rid of it. Subscribe so we can finally break 300,000. Follow me on socials at The Protein Chef. And of course, stay healthy.